Hello everyone! Now I'm going to show you the two methods how to thread the machine. Because the machine comes pre-threaded, all you have to do is to replace the spool, pull the thread, and it's the easiest way how to set up the thread. The second method is I'm going to show you how to thread the machine from the beginning. First thing to do, I need to introduce first the parts of this machine. Now, this part is the metal rock we have here, and this top is the top tension knob. We have here the plastic tubes. This part we have the bottom tension knobs. We have also the detection wheel. We have here the lever arms, and this part is the press foot. Today I'm gonna show you how to thread that is already been threaded. So since you already received the machine and we need to start how to thread, first thing to do is we have here. Now we need to tie a knot from this thread. Okay, like that. So you need to make sure that the knot is so tight. Next part is we need to pull out the threads.
In this video, we learn about the first method and the simplest way how to thread the machine.
Now I'm going to show you how to thread from the beginning. First of all you have to do is to pull the thread from the spool and pass it through the 3 holes. Now we're gonna pass the thread into the small eyelet. Pass the thread between these 2 metal plates. You need to lift up these 2 metal plates in between, and you need to make sure that is from left to right. Now we're gonna pass the thread into this plastic tube, but first we need to remove the plastic tube. Okay, now we're gonna use this threading tool to feed the plastic tube. Now we're gonna put back the plastic tube into this metal rock. Now we're gonna put it back the plastic tube into the machine head. Now keep pulling the thread until it goes underneath this metal clip. You need to lift it up like that. Keep pulling the thread until it goes down to the left side of the post. Now keep pulling the thread until it goes between these 2 metal plates. From left to right until it goes down to the left side of the post. Now keep pulling the thread until it goes underneath the hook, until it goes to the left side of the post. Keep pulling the thread and roll over above the thread brake wheel. Keep pulling the thread until it goes to the left side of the post. Until it goes down to the underneath the metal clip. Now keep pulling the thread until it goes to the right side of the lever arm. Make sure it's behind on this white cover. Now put the thread on the outer part of these 2 rollers. Keep pulling until it goes to the spring from right to left. Now pull up the thread until it goes to the left side of these 2 rollers. Now keep pulling the thread until it goes to the lever arm from right to left. Now keep pulling down the thread until it goes to the first eyelet. Keep pulling the thread until it goes to the second eyelet. Okay, keep pulling the thread until it goes to the eye needle from front to back. Until it goes to the footer. Keep pulling the thread and make sure to leave 2 to 3 inches excess and hang it on the spring. Thanks everyone for watching. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel.